Welcome. If your profession requires you to walk residential roofs, you belong to one of the smallest and most specialized groups of professionals in America. Out of more than 340 million people in the United States, only about 1 in every 1,000 earns a living by routinely walking residential roofs. Whether you are a roofing contractor, home inspector, insurance adjuster, structural engineer, chimney professional, solar installer, or another skilled tradesperson, you have developed a unique ability to safely access roofs, recognize defects, document conditions, and provide solutions that most people will never possess. But there is one challenge that nearly every roof walking profession has in common: seasonality. Work comes in waves: storms, weather, home sales, insurance claims, and changing seasons create busy months, followed by slower periods that can leave talented professionals searching for additional revenue opportunities. What if there were a way to use the same skills you already have to create a new high value service that naturally complements your existing business without replacing what you already do? That is exactly why chimneysweeps.com exists. We believe the professionals who are already climbing roofs are the best people to become the next generation of chimney inspectors and chimney service providers. You already know how to inspect homes, identify problems, communicate with homeowners, and work safely at height. By adding chimney inspections and repairs to your existing business, you can generate additional revenue during slower seasons, strengthen your relationship with your customers, and build a more valuable company for the future. In this presentation, I'm going to show you why the chimney industry is one of the greatest opportunities available to skilled roof professionals, how our nationwide partnership works, why we have invested decades developing the systems and training to help our partners succeed, and how together we can build something much larger than any of us could accomplish alone. This is not a franchise. Every profession that walks residential roofs brings a unique set of skills to the table. Across the United States, there are approximately 158,000 roofing contractors and roofers, about 54,000 roofing sales professionals and estimators, roughly 30,000 insurance property adjusters who routinely inspect roofs, approximately 27,000 home inspectors, more than 20,000 residential solar installers, nearly 10,000 chimney sweeps and chimney inspectors, 8,000 of satellite and communications installers, 3,500 structural engineers, building inspectors, and other specialists who spend their careers working safely on rooftops. Together, these professionals represent 0.1% of the American workforce. Yet they are the people homeowners trust when it comes to protecting one of their largest investments. The challenge is that almost every one of these industries experiences seasonality. Roofing companies are busiest from spring through summer. Insurance adjusters surge after hailstorms, hurricanes, and severe weather events. Home inspectors follow the real estate market and are busiest during the spring buying season. Solar installers see their greatest demand during the warmer months. Chimney companies, on the other hand, reach their busiest season from September through January as homeowners prepare their fireplaces for winter. These different business cycles create an incredible opportunity. Instead of competing with one another, our network allows each profession to complement the others by creating additional work during slower periods while maintaining the business they have already built. The real strength of chimneysweeps.com and 833 Chimney is that we are building a nationwide network where every partner contributes expertise that benefits everyone else. Imagine two independent contractors serving the same community. One may be an experienced roofing contractor who has mastered roof systems, flashing details, and chimney cricket construction. The other may be a highly skilled chimney professional specializing in masonry restoration, brick repointing, crown construction, smoke chamber repairs, and chimney liner installation. Individually, each company has strengths. Together, they become a far more complete solution for the homeowner. They can consult with one another, share knowledge, solve more complex problems, and deliver a higher level of craftsmanship than either could provide alone. Now expand that concept across hundreds of partners nationwide. Every inspection, every repair, every unique challenge, and every successful solution becomes knowledge that can be shared throughout the network. Our partners are not simply receiving leads, they become part of a professional community where decades of experience from multiple trades come together to improve quality, increase customer confidence, expand technical capabilities, and create new opportunities for everyone involved. When one partner becomes better, the entire network becomes stronger. The chimney inspection, chimney cleaning, and chimney repair industry is one of the greatest opportunities available to professionals who already work on residential roofs. Nearly every home with a fireplace, wood stove, or chimney system should be inspected on a regular basis, yet there are relatively few qualified chimney professionals across the United States. Demand continues to grow while the number of experienced chimney sweeps remains limited. Unlike many trades, there are very few structured training programs that teach someone how to become a complete chimney inspector and repair specialist from the ground up. That is the gap chimneysweeps.com and 833 Chimney was created to solve. We have spent decades developing a complete training system that allows motivated professionals to learn the chimney industry without spending thousands of dollars on education. Our partners receive our comprehensive chimney inspector training manual, hundreds of pages of technical information, audio training that can be listened to while driving, and an expanding library of video instruction covering inspections, cleaning procedures, repairs, codes, report writing, customer education, and sales. Best of all, our training, testing, and mentoring are provided at no cost to our partners because we believe that investing in great people builds a stronger nationwide network. Learning doesn't stop after the training. Every partner has access to real-time guidance while they are in the field. With nothing more than a smartphone, you can start a live video meeting, show one of our experienced consultants exactly what you are seeing, and receive immediate advice on inspection findings, code requirements, repair recommendations, pricing, and customer communication. Instead of guessing or walking away from a difficult situation, you have decades of chimney experience available with the click of a button. This gives new partners confidence while helping homeowners receive accurate professional recommendations. For experienced chimney sweeps, the opportunity is equally exciting. We are building a nationwide team of consultants who can mentor the next generation of chimney professionals. Your knowledge becomes one of the most valuable assets in the organization. By helping roofing contractors, home inspectors, engineers, insurance adjusters, and other trades learn to inspect, clean, and repair chimneys correctly, you strengthen the entire network while creating additional income opportunities for yourself. Together, we can preserve the craftsmanship of the chimney industry, raise the standard of inspections and repairs across the country, and build the largest and most knowledgeable chimney services network in the United States. Every great opportunity begins with a story, and this one begins with me. I was born and raised in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I developed a passion for engineering and problem solving at an early age. I earned a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from Virginia Tech and later completed a Master of Science in Civil Engineering at Old Dominion University. After gaining the required engineering experience, I earned my professional engineer license. Like many engineers, I enjoyed solving technical problems, but he dreamed of building something much bigger than a career. I wanted to build a company that would create opportunities for other people. In 1998, I made the decision to leave the security of my engineering profession and start a step-in-time chimney sweeps. What began as a small local chimney company has grown into one of the most recognized chimney service organizations in the country. Over the years, this company has trained and employed more than 400 chimney technicians while developing inspection procedures, repair methods, sales systems, training manuals, marketing strategies, and customer service processes that have been refined through hundreds of thousands of customer interactions. I have always believed that success comes from seeing opportunities before everyone else. During the era of printed telephone directories, a step in time invested in full-page yellow pages advertising throughout numerous markets, becoming one of the most recognizable chimney companies in the nation. As the world shifted to the internet, I was an early believer in digital marketing. I acquired premium chimney-related domain names, investing in online advertising, and secured many memorable vanity telephone numbers that helped customers easily find and remember the business. While many companies were struggling to change, I was building the systems that would eventually become the foundation for a nationwide organization. My journey, however, did not begin with wealth or privilege. I grew up in a family with very limited financial resources. As a child, I remember standing in the lunch line at public school, handing over free lunch tickets while other children noticed and sometimes teased me. Those experiences created a determination that has stayed with me throughout my life. I worked my way through college with student loans, built my business one customer at a time, overcame setbacks and financial challenges, and I refused to give up on the vision that hard work, integrity, and continued to believe learning could create extraordinary opportunities. Today, I live in Sarasota, Florida, and continue to expand the vision that began nearly 3 decades ago. My goal is no longer simply to build another successful chimney company. My mission is to help hundreds of independent entrepreneurs build stronger businesses by sharing the systems, training, marketing, technology, and experience that took me a lifetime to develop. ChimneySweeps.com and 833 Chimney is the next chapter of that vision. A nationwide network of independent professionals working together, learning from one another, generating business together, and creating far more value collectively than any one company could create alone. This is more than a partnership. It is an invitation to learn from decades of experience, to become part of a nationwide team of professionals, to build new revenue without giving up the business you have already worked so hard to create, and to help shape the future of the chimney industry. If you have the work ethic, the integrity, and the desire to grow, this opportunity is for you. I would be honored to welcome you to the chimneysweeps.com and 833 Chimney family. Joining our network is a straightforward process, but we are looking for professionals who are committed to becoming true experts in the chimney industry. The first step is to visit chimneypros.com, where you can begin studying our complete chimney inspector training manual. The online book includes our comprehensive 400-page chimney inspector training program, along with hours of audio lessons you can listen to while driving, and an expanding library of instructional videos that teach inspections, cleaning, repairs, building codes, report writing, customer communication, and sales. We have invested years developing this training because we want every partner to begin with the same strong technical foundation. The second step is ensuring that you already operate a professional business. Since this is not a franchise, every partner remains an independent contractor operating under their own business. You must have your own business license, general liability insurance, and workers' compensation coverage. You continue to own your company, your existing customers, and the reputation you have worked hard to build. ChimneySweeps.com and 833 Chimney is a joint venture partnership that allows independent businesses to work together while remaining independently owned and operated. Once you have reviewed the training materials, the next step is to contact me, Ray Gessner, and let me know you are interested in becoming a partner. We'll discuss your experience, your service area, your business goals, and whether our organization is the right fit for both of us. We are looking for long-term partners who value professionalism, integrity, customer service, and continuous learning. After completing the training, you will take a comprehensive 250-question examination based on the Chimney Inspector Training Manual. The purpose of the examination is not simply to test your memory, but to ensure that every partner entering the network has the knowledge necessary to inspect chimneys safely, recognize defects, understand applicable codes, and communicate professionally with homeowners. Maintaining consistent technical standards across the country is one of the foundations of our network. Once accepted, you become part of a nationwide organization that works together to build business for every partner. We invest in developing and promoting your geographic market through Google business profiles, search engine optimization, television advertising, digital marketing, and other lead generation strategies. When leads are generated through our network, we operate as joint venture partners and share the revenue generated from those opportunities. Our team focuses on the systems we have spent decades perfecting. We answer incoming calls, educate homeowners, schedule appointments, provide live video consultation while you're in the field, help evaluate inspection findings, generate professional inspection reports, discuss recommendations with customers when needed, prepare repair proposals, and follow up with homeowners after inspections and cleanings. That is our expertise. Your responsibility is to do what you do best, provide outstanding field service. You perform the inspections, chimney cleanings, and repairs with the support of an experienced nationwide team behind you. If a repair requires a specialty outside your capabilities, you are not alone. Another qualified partner within the ChimneySweeps.com network can assist or complete the work, allowing the homeowner to receive the highest level of professional service while creating additional earning opportunities throughout the network. By combining specialized skills, shared knowledge, and centralized support, every partner becomes stronger than they could be operating alone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation and learn about the vision behind ChimneySweeps.com and 833 Chimney. I hope you can see the incredible opportunity that exists for skilled professionals who already work on residential roofs. Compared to many trades, the equipment and materials needed to begin performing chimney inspections and cleanings are relatively inexpensive, making this one of the most affordable ways to add a profitable new service to your existing business. If you're looking to create additional revenue, grow your company, and become part of a nationwide network of professionals who believe in helping one another succeed, I would love to talk with you. My team and I are here to answer your questions, provide the training, and support you every step of the way. Feel free to call me on my cell phone, 704 Chimney. That is 704-244-6639. Thank you again for your time and consideration. I look forward to welcoming you to the chimneysweep.com and 833 Chimney family and building something extraordinary together. Our long-term vision is to create one of the largest independent chimney service networks in the United States by bringing together hundreds of highly trained independent subcontractors who all operate under consistent systems and quality standards. We believe the organization will become increasingly valuable over time. In 3 to 5 years, there may be an opportunity to sell the organization to private equity or another strategic buyer. Participation in any future sale would always be your decision. There is absolutely no obligation to sell your business. However, history has shown that larger organizations often command significantly greater valuations than individual companies operating independently. The most important thing to understand is that this is not a franchise. You remain an independent subcontractor and continue to own and operate your own business. You are responsible for your own licensing, insurance, taxes, and day-to-day operations. Our purpose is to provide the systems, support, education, technology, and marketing that help independent professionals succeed together. We believe that by combining the strength of local business owners with a nationally recognized brand, everyone benefits, including the customers we serve. By working together, we increase our entire collective and increase the success of the entire chimneysweeps.com network. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation and learn about the vision behind chimneysweeps.com and 833 Chimney. I hope you can see the incredible opportunity that exists for skilled professionals who already work on residential roofs. Compared to many trades, the equipment and materials needed to begin performing chimney inspections and cleanings are relatively inexpensive, making this one of the most affordable ways to add a profitable new service to your existing business. If you're looking to create additional revenue, grow your company, and become part of a nationwide network of professionals who believe in helping one another succeed, I would love to talk with you. My team and I are here to answer your questions, provide the training, and support you every step of the way. Feel free to call me on my cell phone, 704 Chimney. That is 704-244-6639. Thank you again for your time and consideration. I look forward to welcoming you to the chimneysweep.com and 833 Chimney family and building something extraordinary together.